We have a really cool video for you today. We have an engine table, and there's a lot of history and story behind this specific table. This is the engine block from our 1968 Honda S800. It was one of two blocks that we got, and this one had seen better days. As a matter of fact, the one that I gave to the person who bought the Honda S800, they have the good block, but this one looked like it was welded, and I wanted to do something with it. So I asked my friend Ryan at Pro Powder Coating here in Grand Junction. He's my good friend, and I said I would like to make a table out of it. And here it is. This is a maple table, and it was built by his neighbor, and it was a custom job, all built around this 1968 Honda S800 block. Now, the reason why I think this is really cool is because I'm a JDM guy by heart, and that means I love all JDM cars. And this is extra special because this was pretty much Honda's first sports car. The very, very first one was the Honda S600, but the Honda S600, S800 were almost identical versus the way that they ran the rear. So you had the S600 was driven by chains, which was really cool on each rear wheel. And then the Honda S800 had like your conventional rear end where it was like rear wheel drive with the differential. But they both had a really unique dual overhead cam inline four engine, which was really cool, rear wheel drive. And it was Honda's pretty much real sports car. But I had this block, and Ryan powder coated it, which was really cool because it gives it this really unique look. And then his neighbor, he actually put these like dimples where the block studs and everything sit in it, and then where you could put some hardware. And then he built this maple, beautiful structure around it with some nice edges. And then after that, we have a piece of glass on the top. One of the last things we're gonna do is we're gonna put some lighting. We actually plan to put some really, really nice LED lighting, soft light, some nice soft warm light. And it's really cool because where we put this in our house, we walk by it. Typically, like a car thing will make a house look tacky, but this in the corner with like the light that we already have it on, it actually looks really cool. It's like a warm feeling. This is really neat. So I think it looks awesome, and I thought I'd show it to you guys. And yeah, I love it. All right, guys, thanks for watching.